welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have a special guest. I'm so tall because I'm standing on this.
No, you're not.
I'm standing on this.
Too petty.
But you want to know what that sound is? This is the sound. Jace Lamont. You see him? Do the shoe, Jace. And don't comment on saying, well, that's not how you do it. Because that's going to make him sad. And I'm going to come to your house and be like, oh, but you called my brother, like, oh, you can't do that. I mean, really? So don't you even comment. I'm watching you. Anyway, I have Jace Lamont here. Come here, Jace. I'm going to get with him. Jace and I are so happy that y'all guys are here. But do you hear the...
Get up! Oh, I'm a killer. I'm a killer. I'm about to kill him. I'm about to kill him.
It's gone. Okay. But that bird's still tweeting. What do you say to him?
Shut up, bird.
Well, we are like so mad because I'm still laughing so I'm about to kill him. But
Yeah, you farted.
but we are so happy to be here. I think there's another bird somewhere. I don't know. But Jace is probably gonna hit it with something. Of course.
There's one.
But get the freaking bowl. Get the bowl. Get the bowl. It's over there. Let me show you the bowl. Over there. That pink bowl. Get it.
Where?
Throw it. That one. The one that you throw at the other bird. Throw it before it poops on my trampoline.
Oh my God!
Get it. Get the that dog bowl.
Hey, go tell Darius.
No, Jace. No.
Darius. What? Stop calling my...
Jace, come on.
Mom, don't ask me. I'm about to poop on the trampoline.
And then here's the bird. Wait, the bird's gone.
Yeah.
Sure. It might be up in her nest. Let me go see.
Climb in the nest.
I think it's gone.
Yeah. Maybe.
So we.
There's the bird.
Wait.
Right there. Let's hide. Okay, we're gonna go get the blue ball.
No, don't get the blue ball. Get the over there. Guys, I'm gonna turn you around while he does this. Go get it. Get the dog ball. We are really ticked off because of a bird. Throw the
Where is it?
throw the bird. Throw it at the bird. Over there on that tree. Get it.
I can't throw it at the fence. If I throw it at the fence, they will be mad.
Just throw it on the trampoline. But we are really mad because of that bird. But anyway, guys. Bye.